According to reports, the Apple VR headset may be difficult to purchase due to limited production, with only 300,000 units planned for the first year. Although Apple has not confirmed the device's existence, leaks suggest it will be unveiled at WWDC 2023. The headset's high price tag of $3,000 may deter potential buyers, despite its superior specs. Industry insiders have given mixed reviews of the device, with some reporting major problems and others praising its quality. The low production count may make it challenging to obtain the headset, even if it is not popular by Apple standards. It is recommended to wait for reviews and software capabilities before pre-ordering the device. The success of the headset will depend on its software capabilities and app catalog, which may take time to develop and could impact its usefulness. A Bloomberg report has revealed that the Apple VR headset may be difficult to purchase this year due to limited production. Apple is reportedly planning to produce only a few thousand units in 2022, with a focus on developers and early adopters. The limited production is due to the complexity of the headset and the high cost of its components. The headset is rumored to feature advanced technology such as eye tracking, hand tracking, and 8K displays, which could make it more expensive than other VR headsets on the market. The report also suggests that Apple is still finalizing the design of the headset and may make changes before it goes into production, which could further delay its release and limit availability. Overall, it appears that the Apple VR headset will be in high demand when it eventually becomes available, but consumers may have to wait until 2023 or later for wider availability.